साथी रसना कसन जो तो हरिपद सुमिरन क्यों साथी बजो मन राम चरण दिन राती बजो मन राम चरण जाके कहत दहत दुख दारुण सुनु त्रयताप बजोती जाके कहत दहत दुख दारुण सुनु त्रयताप बजोती सुनत सुनत सुशील सो हरिजन सुनत सुनत सुशील सो हरिजन देत सलाह सो हाथी बज मन राम चरण दिन राती बजो मन राम चरण बजो मन राम चरण रामचंद्र के नाम अमीय रस सोरस कागे न काती रामचंद्र के नाम अमीय रस सोरस कागे न काती तुलसी दास यह विनय कर कहे प्रथम रजु की पाती बजो मन राम चरण दिन राती बजो मन राम चरण बजो मन राम चरण बजो मन राम चरण थैंक यू
What a melodious song. It was actually thought that this particular song will be sung by madam without music, because actually it is more melodious without music. And madam Varshashri is actually partially blind, and you can always see God always gives some or the other gift to God always gives some or the other gift to the people with whom he gives something little. Thank you, madam. You want to say something?
Nothing. You spoke too much about me.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Thank you, madam.
तेरे दीदे मने हो बाती थी तेरे दीदे मने हो बाती थी हो सगालिया हो सबाल
Thank you, Sri Lakshmi and Bhargavi ma'am. They form the core part of our Canara Bank singing team, and they are our budding CBA Rising Stars. Thank you very much. Now I would hand over the mic to Swati, and who is going to tell about something about the Mangalore skit.
It's a Canara Bank, which has become the front line in the banking industry. We have the unique heritage of open and informal family culture and widely known for our customer centricity. Keeping this in mind, Founder Circle Mangaluru is hereby presenting a small scene on the banking scenario depicting the history of Canara Bank and the journey of CBOE. Let us begin the show.
Sir, please, sir. I lost my checkbook, my ATM. I want to withdraw my amount, sir. Please help me out. No, sir, I lost my wallet, sir, actually.
Without that, how come I will do all that things?
Sir, please help me out.
Morning.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Sir, fine, sir. Sir, I lost my check, sir. Wallet. I need some cash, sir. Urgently.
Madam, we will help you out.
Okay, sir.
Madam, how is your business, by the way?
Sir, thanks to you, sir. Thanks to Canara Bank. I was totally down by the financial institution who made me believe that I could double my investment. If I wouldn't have met you other day, I would have lost all my money, sir. From the Kamadhenu deposit you made me investment, I could save my skin, sir.
Madam, Canara Bank always stands for the customers. Canara Bank always has grown to this height only because of the customer support, and we are doing our best to serve the nation. By the way, your problem is our problem. We will help you out in this hour of need for you.
Thanks.
Please collect your cash.
Thanks, sir.
Fine, thank you. Doctor, it is our great pleasure to have a customer like you in our branch, and we are really happy that you have availed education loan, and today you are a very successful doctor in our area. Doctor, we are also pleased to see that you are very punctual in repaying your education loan and car loan. Doctor, Canara Bank has got various products, and housing loan is one of them, very attractive. And I know that you don't have a house of your own. Why don't you go for a housing loan, doctor?
Yeah, I want to build my dream home, sir. I'll bring my proposal soon, sir. Okay. If I stand in this position because of Canara Bank, way back, when I was a student, I lost my father. My mother struggled a lot. She's working in houses and made me complete my PUC. I had marks, but no funds, sir. And my principal, who referred Canara Bank for my education loan. And that time that manager was a very nice person. He sanctioned my education loan. Now I stand as a founder of Kulla Hospital Group, sir. I salute the service of Canara Bank, sir. I really salute.
We are really proud of that, doctor. Really, Canara Bank has helped a lot of students by extending education loan to them, and all of them are very successful and leading their own life. Canara Bank, serving to grow and growing to serve in the earlier days, now has changed its logo into Together We Can. We are really getting along for the nation's progress with the customer's support. Doctor, we are actually happy to see that you are using our tech products, IMB, mobile banking, and e-infobook. Doctor, how about the service, doctor?
Yeah, sure. It's very user-friendly also. You see, I'm using your mobile bank app, and the internet banking also very user-friendly, sir.
Really, we are happy, doctor, and we wish you spread this message among your fraternity also.
Okay, sure, sure. Anyway, have a nice day, sir.
Thank you, doctor.
See you.
Sir, I feel proud to be a Canarite, sir. While seeing the happiness of our customer, the doctor has showed, I want to know more about our bank, sir, the history of our bank.
Certainly, Nimal. Canara Bank.
Because of the unavailability of PPT, I will not be able to give my presentation. As such, we will be reading out my slides. Pai Mam, a great philanthropist, established Canara Hindu Permanent Fund in Mangaluru on 1st July 1906. The bank changed its name to Canara Bank Limited in 1910 when it incorporated. Canara Bank spread throughout India, acquiring few banks. The Government of India nationalized Canara Bank along with 13 other major commercial banks on 19 July 1969. Late Sri Ambembal Subbarao Pai said, "A good bank is not only the financial heart of the community, but also one with an obligation of helping in every possible manner to improve the economic conditions of the common people."
Our founding principles are to remove superstition and ignorance, to spread education among all, to subserve the first principle, to inculcate the habit of thrift and savings, to transform the financial institution not only as the financial heart of the community but the social heart as well, to assist the needy, to work with sense of service and dedication, to develop a concern for fellow human being and sensitivity to the surroundings with a view to make changes, remove hardships and sufferings.
Thus, Bank grew to greater heights with the founding principle serving to grow and growing to serve.
With this proud Canarites has 5,784 branches spread all over India. Canara Bank is aiming towards achieving 10 lakh crores of global business, and Canara Bank Officers Association has given a call to the members to achieve this great objective. Canara Bank always does the best, and we are here to serve the nation through Canara Bank.
I heard little about our CBOA, Canara Bank Officers Association. I want to know more about CBOA also, sir.
Certainly. Canara Bank Officers Association
In existence since 1966 and is the only recognized association representing officers. Nearly 23,000 officers all over India have enrolled themselves as members to our great organization. It is the CBOA that is affiliated to IBOC, the largest national organization of officers with absolute majority in banks and representing 91% officers in the banking industry. It is CBOA that has nominee in the apex body, that is the bank's board. It is the CBOA that holds periodical joint conference with bank management to lay down policies on promotion, transfer and other service matter of interest concerning the officers' community. It is the CBOA that has no political alignment and has sponsored and created Thrift Society, HNI, and a welfare fund at Mumbai, granting death relief to members besides assistance to its members on hospitalization.
Project Thus We Can on July 2015 is a historical movement which promises that each member shall contribute to the success of bank by their performance to reach the desired target of 10 lakhs crores of business. Helping hands never hesitate to stretch beyond boundaries is proved by CanPals of CBOA. It is a CBOA that is posting the young bankers of today through Think Tank, CanPal, Help Tank, etc.
Sir, is celebrating its golden jubilee, right, sir?
Thank God, Nimal, you remembered it. Our Regional Secretary, Mr. Walter Jayasikur, and Central Committee member and others are about to come to our branch for practicing for our Golden Jubilee celebration. They may be here. Oh, they are there. Welcome, Mr. Walter Jayasikur. Welcome. Welcome to the branch. Welcome, madam. Hello.
So all have come for the practice. Let's rock the Golden Jubilee celebrations. Chalo, let's start.
जिंदगी मिलके सहेंगे, हाले दिल गाके सुनाएंगे, हम तो सात रंग हैं, ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे, जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाले दिल गाके सुनाएंगे, हम तो सात रंग हैं, ये जहां सरगम हमसे बने नग में आसमां, हम ही तो दुनिया के साथ अजूबे हैं, हमसे जहां। दुआ 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 है, जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाले दिल गा के सुनाएंगे। हम तो सात रंग हैं, ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे। खुशियाँ बांटेंगे हम हर दम मिलके सहे, फिर क्यों आंसू बहे, बन के सहारा एक दूजे का यूं ही चलते रहे। दुआ 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 है, जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाले दिल गा के सुनाएंगे। हम तो सात रंग हैं, ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे। ला 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 ला
CBO Golden Jubilee celebration.
अरे भंग का रंग जमा हो चकाचक, फिर लो पान चमा। अरे ऐसा झटका लगे जिया पे, पुनर्जन्म हुई जा। खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। फिर तो ऐसा करे कमाल से खुल जाए सबकी चाल। छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला। खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला।